Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm a dancer on WTF, We the Females. I am here today to teach you guys a dance routine. It's really short, but it's also a little fast. I promise I'll teach it really carefully so everyone can catch on. Once you're done learning it, make sure you record yourself, send us an email, or post it on social media and make sure to tag us. Either way, we're just excited to see you dancing. All right, let's get started.
3, 6, 9, 9, 5. You just suck it to me one time. You suck it to me low, low. You just suck it to me low, low.
Hey everybody, let's get started. You're gonna start with your feet apart and your hands clasped right in front like this. The music is gonna give you a woo, da 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 da. That's how you know when to start, okay? So you're gonna hear woo, da 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 da, 3, 6, 9. You start movement right on that first lyric. You're gonna cross your hands open. You're gonna open them up, and then you're gonna jump together. Let's try that. Here we go. Woo, da 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 da, 3, 6, 9. One more time. Woo, da 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 da, 3, 6, 9. Awesome. From here, you're gonna bring your hands up and to the left. Then you're gonna bring them to the right. Then you're gonna bring them around your head and you're gonna push them forward. Here we go. Woo! Da 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 da, 3, 6, 9. To the left, to the right, around, push. How'd you do? All right, let's go one more time. Here we go. Woo! Da 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 da, 3, 6, 9. Go. Push. All right. From here, we're gonna actually add some feet before moving on. So you hit this pretty sharp. Woo! Da 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 da. 3, 6, 9. Left, right. When your hands go around your head, your left foot is actually going to step forward at the same time. As you push, your foot is going to slide back. So it looks like this. You went left, right, step forward, push. Can we try it all together? Here we go. Woo! Da 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 da. 3, 6, 9. Left, right, forward, push. How'd you do? Check yourself, give yourself a pat on the back. If you didn't get it this time, get it next time. We're gonna move on. So we just landed here. You're gonna put your fingers into one. You're gonna step out with your right foot. All right? You're gonna cross it over. You're gonna take a really long time to turn your body around and you're gonna end up like this. Ready to charge forward at that camera. All right, let's get it from the top. Here we go. Woo! Da 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 da. 3, 6, 9. Left, right. Push. 1. Cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, one more time. Here we go. Woo! Da 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 da. 3, 6, 9. Right. Forward. Push. 1. Turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna charge forward. You're gonna charge forward. You're gonna do a double. You're gonna jump out, hands up. Rewind it back. You just landed from your turn like this. The music is about to speed up. So we wanna have that energy in our movement too. So we're gonna charge forward slow. Charge forward slow. Quick, 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 quick. One more time from here. We went 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, slow, quick, quick, jump up. How we doing? All right, let's try it from the top. Here we go. Woo! Da 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 da. 3, 6, 9. Left, right, forward, back. Here, here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, 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 ha. You're gonna pulse down on your right, right, left, right, left, and push it through. Watch that one more time. Here we go. We went slow, slow, quick, quick, down, up, down, 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 and push it through. So what am I doing exactly? I'm prepping here. I'm sliding my foot in, and I'm throwing that hand at the same time. All right? So we got here. Here. 3, 4, boom, boom. The music goes da da da. We're gonna go da da da. We're gonna swing it up. Then we're gonna pose and we're gonna pose. Or da da da. Pose, pose. Or a pose and a pose. Or a pose and a pose. Whatever you guys can hit. All right, here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Da 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 da. 3, 6, 9. Ha! Dee da. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, slow. Quick, quick. Down, up. Hit it. Hit it. One more time. Boom, boom. Da da da. Boom, boom. Pose, pose. All right, how are we doing? If you did not get any part of that, please rewind. I'm gonna press play. We're gonna do it with the music. Do it as many times as you want.
3, 6, 9, 9, 5. You just suck it to me 1, 9, 4. You suck it to me 1, 9, 4. You just suck it to me 1, 3, 6, 9, 9, 5. You just suck it to me 1.